Thank you everyone for all your help.
And I don't want any chicken. I'm not going to pick it.
You don't want any chicken?
Chicken.
Give the man some chicken.
Chicken doggy.
Is this how dinner time is every night? Is it?
It looks exactly
full
like
level?
this, just without you two here.
Yeah.
There's always someone shouting and someone eating a chicken taco without anything in it.
Do you kids mind mixing your food together? You're a separate kind of girl.
Sometimes I mix it.
Sometimes you mix it.
And it's fine.
Go, you can figure it out. Yeah.
Well, dinner time at your place is fun.
This is probably on the level of behaviour the longest I've seen anyone sit down.
It's the food. Everyone must be into it.
Can you come over every night and cook us dinner?
What do you guys reckon? From 1 to 10. 1 is Daddy's cooking, 10 is my cooking.
10?
I did divide it.
10
I'm
for-
vision.
Oh, you give it a 10.
10.
Right, you give it a 10 as well.
10, 10, 10. You
You guys have done pretty well. You've all eaten.
No,